This is a 2011 Cadillac CTS. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a performance package, a limited slip differential, direct injection, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD video player, a 10-speaker audio system, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, variable valve timing, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, traction control, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 16,000 miles on the odometer. This Cadillac has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering House Auto Group for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 4141 Boardman Canfield Road in Canfield.